Hi, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Here we are at the Australian Rainforest section of the Mount Coot-tha Botanical Gardens. So we're going to do this little trail. Hopefully the gimbal will hold out. It's been working pretty hard today. So, this just tells you more about the rainforest. This looks like it's mostly downhill. So, I'm not sure how much I'm going to do of this. Might just be a quick little video, I think. Yeah, because I'm not sure when, like, my gimbal's on a red line at the moment and it's about to die on me. So, it's just a quick little video of the Australian rainforest here at Mount Coot-tha Botanical Gardens. Come check it out. Go and have a look at the rest of my videos that I've done today. I'm sorry I didn't go right around, but yeah. Until next time, fellow travelers, have a good one. You never know where I might end up next.